We traditionally identify the skin as two-dimensional. However, it's really a topological map with contours, ridges, and gullies that grow and respond to the world around it. The state of your skin health is not determined simply by whether you have a genetic variant predisposing you to a certain skin trait, but also the environment that continually influences your skin. We're also seeing products like certain cleansers and moisturizers negatively impairing the diversity of our skin microbiome. 60% of individuals will suffer from a skin condition at some point in their life. So it's important that everyone, no matter what age, background, or city they live in, has the knowledge for preventative action. At Sequential Skin, we have the first at-home genetic and skin microbiome test that targets with over 99.9% accuracy both components of the genetics and the skin microbiome. And it is all done from the comfort of your home with a simple 10-second patch that analyzes your genetics and your skin microbiome. Using our mobile app, you have a comprehensive report about your skin and the support you need to improve it over the long term. We then send you personalized skin treatment that contains all of the ingredients perfectly matched to your skin profile. To really understand skin health, we can look at key categories like hydration, sensitivity, inflammation, elasticity or firmness, antioxidant capacity, and sun protection. And we know that there are key genes involved in these categories. On top of just the genetics, we also add on the skin microbiome diversity. And if your score is low in this category, we can help you find ingredients that, again, improve the skin microbiome diversity and therefore improve overall skin health. The Sequential Skin kit we've developed can be used to also identify and characterize more clinical issues like atopic dermatitis and rosacea. These conditions significantly impair the quality of life for the individuals, and we know that there's a strong genetic link and skin microbiome link that we can tie in to really help improve that treatment for the patient. The solutions out there to really identify your skin and provide those ingredients and products are really limited. So we've got questionnaires, these are user biased. We've got imaging devices, which we know aren't reproducible. If you take the same image a few minutes later, it gives you a different report. So we wanted to provide the best science we could in this area and really improve the characterization of skin. So our typical customer so far has been around the ages of 20, 25 to 45. What we're seeing is quite interesting is that there's more and more men that are actively looking at their skincare and making sure that they're doing the right things to prevent long-term skin issues. We know that there's this great shift in thinking about the skin microbiome as a center of skin health. And a lot of these big companies that are out there are changing their formulations and ingredients to be more skin microbiome centric. At Sequential Skin, we're building a skin microbiome map from around the world, turning precision data into affordable skincare products while alleviating the healthcare burdens of patients with specific skin issues. Our proprietary technology really is first of its kind, and we can't wait to bring it to the customer. Sequential Skin is on a mission to improve skin health. If you'd like to be involved in this mission, please join us.